Good evening to you all. Yesterday's assignment, I hope you have got the questions. Few questions of the same type I included so that you will get more practice with 1 to 20 questions. So hoping that you can answer all these questions, I will move on to the graphical method of solving linear equations in two variables. Okay. Uh, I hope everybody has done the statement problems assignment what I sent yesterday. I think today morning I sent. Yesterday or today? Yesterday only. You didn't get the paper? I hope everybody has answered this. At least say one or two yes. So that I will satisfy what I sent. You all answered. Nobody? Then also I will happy. Because nobody has done means for me no corrections. Feeling that I will proceed to the next question. Okay. Take the question. Solve graphically. Solve graphically. Take the equation, solve graphically and find the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis. Okay, this is 2010 board exam question paper. You have to find the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. Equation 4x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 4x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 20 equal to 0. 4x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 20 equal to 0. The question in this equation, both x and y variable has the coefficients. That means you will get the denominator value. You have to find the values of x or y. That is, substituting for x, you will get y or vice versa. So now considering the first equation, you can write 4x equals plus 3y minus 4. Is it clear? Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. X equals 3y minus 4 upon 4. 3y minus 4 upon 4. Now, here giving values to y, you will get the value of x. Obtain the tabulated column like this. Get minimum 3 pairs. If I put y is equal to 0, what is the value of x? If I put y is equal to 0, what is the value of x? What's your answer? The value of x will be, yes, you are all busy with good evening, not answering to my question. Please answer this. When y is equal to 0, what is the value of x? Yes, it is minus 1. Now, if I put y is equal to 1, you will get a number, it is not a terminating. Y is equal to 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 4. 8 divided by 4, it is 2. Okay, na? Then y is equal to any number minus 4. If I put y is equal to minus 4, 4 3s are 12. Minus 12 minus 4 is 16. Minus 16 divided by 4 is minus 4. When y is equal to 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. When it is minus 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 4 is minus 16 divided by 4 is minus 4. Okay, na? So that we have the set of order pairs minus 1 comma 0, 2 comma 4 and minus 4 minus 4. So take this in the ruled part of the graph paper. Now take the second equation. 4x equals plus 20 minus 3y. What I did? To avoid the first term only negative, I transferred the numerical value negative, it becomes positive. Positive will become minus negative. X equals 20 minus 3y by 4. Now again get the tabulated column like this. If I put y is equal to 0, x equals 5. If I put y is equal to 4, 4 3s are 12. 20 minus 12, 8 divided by 4, it is 2. Then if I put y is equal to 1, 20 minus 3, 70 not divisible completely. If I put y is equal to minus 4, you will get, if it is minus 4, 4 3s are 12, minus into minus plus 20 plus 12 is 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. If you have confusion, do the calculation and then fill the table. The order pair is 5 comma 0, 2 comma 4 and 8 comma minus 4. So the solution of the equation is 2 comma 4 because that 2 comma 4 order pair is in both the tabulated column. You will get a unique solution, that means intersecting line. We require the vertices of the triangle so formed by these lines along with the x-axis. So now take the scale. Obtain y-axis and x-axis perpendicular to each other. Now the ogive curve they have taken out. You have the graphical part is only linear equation, so it's very important now. X dash x. The order pair y has maximum 8. So make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 along x-axis, and here the maximum y is 4 and we require minus 4 also, even for y-axis also we have to locate minus 4. 1 minute. 8 minus 4, I will write here 2 comma 4, so that I could extend this x-axis also up to minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you have negative minus 4. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now the skeleton part of the graph is ready. Let us plot by putting the order pair of the first column minus 1 comma 0. Here write minus 1 comma 0 order pair in the bracket. 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. You have, this is the position, 2 comma 4. Then minus 4 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4. You will get here, take it as minus 4 minus 4. Join them in order. Okay, this is the equation of the, that is graph of the first equation. And coming to the second part, 5 0, 2 4, same 2 4, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 here. Now join them. 8 minus 4, like this. So you will get the intersecting lines. It has a unique solution. What are the solution? X equals 2, y is equal to 4. Because the question it is given, solve graphically. First you have to mention the values, the solutions of x and y. Then vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis. So you have the vertex A 2 comma 4, vertex B you have minus 1 comma 0, vertex C you have 5 comma 0. Suppose in the same question if they are asked, calculate the area bounded by these lines and x-axis, means we have to find out this area. Come on, calculate and give me the answer. The area bounded by two lines and the x-axis. What is the area of the triangle? Yes, don't write only 12, it is 12 unit square. It is area of triangle ABC, half into base into height. It is base is up to here 5 plus 1, 6, and see the height, vertical height, it is 4. So you will get 12 unit square. Square unit or unit square. Where is the gap? Graphically. Yes, your answer is right. Next question. Yes, I'll move on to the next question. Draw the graphs of the following pairs of linear equations. Take the equations. Draw the graph of following pairs of linear equations. Draw the graph of the equation given 4x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. 4x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. And they are given, calculate the coordinates that determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle by the lines and the y-axis. Determine the vertices of triangle formed by these lines and y-axis. In the previous question it is about x-axis, now it is about y-axis. This is also question repeated in 2013 and 14. In both the year this has repeated. So check the question and get the tabulated column by converting x variable into y or y in terms of x. We'll do that first. Considering the first equation, 4x equals 3y plus 6. X equals 3y plus 6 by 4. So here you have plus names. If I substitute for y positive value, you will get the values beyond 10 or 8 or 10. Try to go with negative. Okay, na? If I put y is equal to minus 4, 4 3s are, it's not completely divisible. If I put y is equal to minus 2, 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 plus 6 divided by 4 is 0. Clear? If I put y is equal to plus 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 6, 12 divided by 4, it is 3. Okay? Next, if I put y is equal to what we can get, one more value we require. If it is minus 1, it's not divisible. 3, not divisible completely. 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 6 is not divisible. Minus 12 is also not divisible. 5, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 6 is not divisible by 4. 6. If I put 6, 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 plus 6 is minus 12. So you get minus 3. Check it once. 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 plus 6 is minus 12. Minus 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. The order pair 0 minus 2. 3 2 and minus 3 minus 6. Okay, now is it clear? Have you all got? Any value you can select, not only the value, what value I had taken, You can express y in terms of x also. You can get the answer. Okay. 6 comma 6. 6 3 are 18. 18. I taken negative. No problem. You can proceed. Now second equation. X equals 9 minus 3y. X equals plus 9 minus 3y. Again, keep the tabulated column so that we get the order pair x, y. So if I put y is equal to 3, x equals 0. Y is equal to 2, x equals 3. Y is equal to 4. 4 3s are 12. You will get minus 3. Check it once. Clear? Now the order pair 0, comma 3, 3, comma 2, minus 3, comma 4. Can you now guess where exactly the two equation will intersect? By seeking the values in the tabulated column. Come on. Give me the answer. What will be the point of intersection order pair? What will be the point of intersection order pair? Just to see the order pair in the two tables, you can easily guess. Yes, it intersect at 3, comma 2 because 3, comma 2 is common in both the order pairs. Now let us have the skeleton part of the graph. So maximum minus 3 and here it is minus 6. Y axis you should take minus 6 maximum. See, it is 4 and minus 6. So using the values you could adjust the table here. Instead of drawing whole page the x axis, y axis, writing the values 0 to 10 or 12. See the order pair values, then you can guess. X axis maximum is plus 3. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And negative x axis is minus 3. Same value you will get here. 0 minus 2, 3, 2, minus 3, minus 6. Okay. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And y-axis maximum is plus 4 in the positive y-axis, 3, 4 and maximum negative 6 here. So I will mark minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Come on. Now take one by one the order pair. 0 minus 2. It is negative y-axis. Then 3, 2. 3, 2. 3, comma 2. Then minus 3, minus 6. It is in the third quadrant. Minus 3, minus 6. Join them. You will get a straight line. Here my markings are not in the proper width. It may vary, but not with your graph. You will get exactly. Okay. Now take the second order pair 0, 3. 0, comma 3, 3, 2 and minus 3, 4. it is, since the order marking is not in a proper way, like this you will get, we need to extend this line to intersect. Okay, it is -3 4 3 2 0 3 0 3 you should add. Is 0 3 is correct? 3 3s are 9. Yes, 0 3. Marking I should do in a proper way here. Equal marking. Because we require point of intersection of these lines with y-axis. Totally, since I have not taken the proper division, I will do it again. In graph book, you will get exact point of intersection. Don't worry. Okay. So now 0 minus 2, 3 2, and -3 -6, -3 -6. Join them. Okay. Next 0 3, 3 2, and -3 4, -3 4. So I took wrongly there. That is the reason I didn't get the proper intersecting lines. It should be here -3 4. Now join them. You will get the intersecting lines like this. Okay. Now the vertices of the triangle A 3 2, B 0 3, and C 0 -2. This is the region we need to bound. This is how we get the figure. Okay, now? I'll give one more question. Is it clear to everybody how to get the area bounded by the linear equations on the graph and how to solve the equation? Take the next question. Solve graphically x minus y equals -1 2x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. X minus y equals minus 1. 2x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Also, find the area of the region bounded by these lines and x-axis. Also, calculate the area. Find the area. Is enough. So you have to determine the vertices of the triangle and calculate the area bounded by these lines and x-axis. Take first equation. X minus y equals minus 1. Therefore, x equals, when we transfer, it becomes y minus 1. Obtain the tabulated column. In the ruled part, you have to show the working like this. Y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So we got the order pair minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. Take the second equation. 2x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Y equals plus 10 minus 2x. I am avoiding the first term to be negative. So to make it first term positive, I transfer the negative term first and then minus 2x. Here also you have a linear form. No division. Clear? Now try to give the values when x equals 5, y is 0, x equals 4, y is 2, x equals 3, y is 4. It's clear? Here we are not getting the common. We'll see in the graph where exactly it will intersect. Then you can plot the graph. After finding the order pair on the graph, you can find the area of the triangle formed by the lines and x-axis. Come on, calculate the area after plotting it on the graph. Apart from this, I think I included few graph questions in the previous worksheet. You can work out it. Okay. Plot the points taking y-axis and x-axis perpendicular to each other. Okay, what is the area? Anybody has calculated? Minus 1, 0. Write the order pair using pencil in the bracket. 0 minus 1. 0 plus 1. 1, 2. Join them. This represents first equation line. Take second equation, it is 5, 0 on x-axis, 4, 2 in the first quadrant, and 3, 4 join them. You will get the intersecting point as x equals 3, y equals 4. They are the solutions. Now area bounded A, B, C. This is the area. Half into 5 plus 1, 6 into 4. It is 12 unit square. Yes. Okay. Now I'll stop this graphical part. Remaining questions you can go through in the worksheet what I said. Now here comes again condition for solubility question where we have to find out two values, variables A and B. Okay. Is completed. You have calculated the area, everybody. Yes, take the question. For what values of A and B? For what values of A and B? The following pair of linear equations have infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solution. I think you can remember the condition. A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Take the equation. 2x plus 3y equals 7. Second equation. A into x plus y minus b into x minus y equals 3a plus b minus 2. Something special in this. That is the reason I selected this question. First equation, okay, you can easily identify a1, b1, c1. In the second equation, as it is, it's not possible. We need its simplification. We simplify this by removing the bracket. How? It is ax plus ay minus bx plus by. Is it clear? Minus into minus plus equals 3a plus b minus 2. Now rearrange. What you get? If you take x common, you will get a minus b into x. Then a plus b into y equals 3a plus b minus 2. So this is a2, b2, c2. For infinitely many solution, if a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2, it has many solutions. This is the condition we should apply. Now substitute the relevant value. Doing cross multiplication, sometimes directly you get single variable answer, otherwise you will get two equations to solve the values of A and B. If you have the confusion, we can use the capital letter for this A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay, because already AB is in the question. Otherwise, you can proceed as it is. Okay. Now, what is A1 here? It is 2 upon A minus B, 3 upon A plus B equals 7 upon 3A plus B minus 2. Do the cross multiplication. What you get? 3A minus 3B equals 2A plus 2B. A minus 3B minus 2B equal to 0. That is A minus 5B equal to 0. This is the first condition we got by cross multiplying this 2 into A, 2 into B, 3 into A, 3 into B. Okay. Now do the same thing for other two ratio like this. What we get? 7A plus 7B equals 9A plus 3B minus 6. 7A plus 7B equals 9A plus 3B minus 6. Rearrange it. What you get? Minus 2A plus 4B equals minus 6. Dividing it by minus 2, you will get A minus 2B equals 3, equation 2. Now solve, we can find the values of A and B. This, if it is two variable calculation, you will get condition for solvability for 3 marks. Since you have two conditions to find the values of A and B. Proceed and find the values of A and B. We get by subtraction, sign will change. So that plus A minus A get cancelled. Minus 5B plus 2B is minus 3B equals minus 3. B equals 1. Find the value of A. Yes, what are the values of A and B? B is equal to 1, therefore A equals 5. B is equal to 1, A is equal to 5 are the solutions of this equation. Clear? Yes. Yes, Akshat, you are right. Sarva Mangala, your answer is right. Next question, this is regarding the digit problem. After getting B is equal to 1, try to calculate A, Rishabh. You will get the value of A also. Yes. Next question. Take this question. I think this type of question we answered in earlier case. That is not in the revision class, in the regular class. Once again, I am repeating this. A two-digit number is obtained. Take down the question. A two-digit number. So whenever you have two digit, we should consider it is in the form of 10x plus y, taking 10th digit as x and y as unit digit. Okay. So a two digit number is obtained either multiplying a two digit number, that is 10x plus y, is obtained either multiplying sum of the digit by 8, multiplying sum of the digit by 8 and subtracting 5. Subtracting means minus 5. Or second condition, multiplying the difference of the digit by 16. Again a two digit number you will get, multiplying the difference of the digit by 16 and adding 3 final number. So by seeing the equation you can frame the question. Condition, a two digit number. Whenever it is mentioned two digit, consider the digit that unit place as y, tens place as x. You can take 10y plus x also. There you have unit place x, tens place y. Okay na? So in two different conditions, a two digit number can be obtained. First condition, multiplying the sum of the digit by 8 and subtracting 5 from it, or multiplying the difference of the digit by 16 and adding 3 to it. In both the cases, it is a two-digit number only. So the two-digit number is constant for both the condition. Now simplifying, you will get two equations. Solving, you will get x and y. Come on. This time you already done. 10x plus y, 8x plus 8y minus 5. Simplifying, you will get 2x minus 7y equals minus 5. Second equation, 10x plus y, 16x minus 16y plus 3. You will get minus 6x plus 17y equals 3. Now we have to solve these two equations. Then substitute to the condition 10 into x plus y. So here you have minus 6, it is 2, we multiply this with 3. Is it clear? So that it becomes 6x minus 21y equals minus 15. Second equation, minus 6x plus 17y equals 3. Adding this will get cancelled. Minus 21 plus 17. What you will get? Minus 4y equals minus 12. Y equals 3. Now substituting y is equal to 3 in any one of the equation. 6x minus 21 into 3 equals minus 15. 6x minus 63 equals 15. 6x equal, what you get? 48. Correct? X equals 8. Getting x and y, the two-digit number is 10x plus y. That is 10 into 8 plus 3. The required number is 83. Conclude at the end. Therefore, the required number is 83. Okay, na? So the required number is 83. Next question. Two men and 7 boys. 2 men and 7 boys can do a piece of work in 4 days. It is done by 4 men and 4 boys in 3 days. How long would it take? How long would it take for one man or one boy to do it? So this is the special question. Whenever you have this type of question, we always go with the work done by one man in 1 day work as a reciprocal. For all other problems, we used to take as it is, but in this case, time taken or the days, all those conditions, we have to go with its one man's 1 day work, one boy's one day's work in its reciprocal form. Put 2 star over it. Wherever you get such type of question, be careful to write it in the reciprocal form. Okay, now let us have the statement. Let one man alone can finish his work in X days. Therefore, one man's 1 day work, one man's 1 day work will be its reciprocal part. 1 by x part of the work will be done by one man alone. Second condition, let one boy alone can finish his work in y days. Therefore, one boy's 1 day work is 1 by y. So we have taken for both man and boy 1 day's work condition. According to the statement, we have an equation 2 men under 2 by x, 7 boys 7 by y, can 4 days, this is also in reciprocal form. Then it is done by 4 men and 4 boys alone in 3 days. This is also in RH is also in reciprocal. That means if a man alone can do his work in 1 day, x days, then one boy's 1 day's work will be 1 by x. So the total time taken will be the 1 upon x part, 1 by 3 part. So we have a reciprocal in the LHS as well as in the RHS. Now it should be reducible to linear form. What you get? 2a plus 7b equals 1 by 4. Multiplied by 4, you will get 8a plus 28b equals 1. Equation 3. I simplified the equation. Second equation, what you get? 4a plus 4b equals 1 by 3. Into 3, it becomes 12a plus 12b equals 1. Having two equations, now you can simplify. It is 12a plus 12b equals 1. First equation, 8a plus 28b equals 1. So I will multiply this way. 3 equation 4 with 2. What you get? 24a plus 8 3s are 24, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 84b equals 3. 24a plus 24b equals 2. Usually such type of question we used to solve by cross multiplication, but now the cross multiplication is taken off. We have to try with either by substitution or by eliminating the quotient. If I do the subtraction, this will get cancelled. What we have? 60b equals 1. B is equal to 1 by 60. Substituting this b value, what you will get? 24a plus 84 into 1 by 60 equals 3. 12 5s are 60. 12 7s are. So 24a equals 3 minus 5 by 7. I'm sorry. 7 by 5. 24a equals 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 by 5. Therefore a equals 8 by 5 into 1 by 24. A equals 1 by 15. Since we have taken x and y as its reciprocal, therefore x equals 15, y equals 60. So a man alone can do his work, a boy alone can do his work, condition will satisfy. They will take separately 15 days and 60 days. A man alone can take 15 days to finish the work. A boy alone can take 60 days. After getting the reciprocal, check it to the x value by writing its reciprocal answer. X will be 15, y will be 60. Then finally conclude your answer. A man alone can finish it in 15 days. A boy alone can finish it in 60 days. Okay, na? Majority of the questions I revised you in polynomial and linear equation. Tomorrow in my class I will go with arithmetic progression revision. But so far not even single assignment those are not submitted. When I start the next chapter I will remove from the group. I think you all know your friend's name, please inform to them, because every time informing and not getting the assignments properly, no use. The main punishment I should give is I have to remove them from the group. Don't ignore this. It is must that you have to submit all the assignments. If not the notes, assignments I need. Worksheet from the beginning, what and all I have given, all those including graph, including construction and MCQ worksheet so far what I have given. Try to complete it as early as possible. Otherwise, no further classes for you people. Okay? Thank you children. We'll see in tomorrow's class with arithmetic progression.